Hello and welcome to Homework Club. We are on Chapter 9, Lesson 10, and subject is hands-on, use models to add mixed numbers. Since we have already gone ahead in previous lessons and estimated what it would be if we add mixed numbers, well, right now it's time to actually start using them. And as always, we're gonna start with models. Make sure you look into the homework helper section on your own time. But for me, I'm just gonna jump into solving the problems. Okay, this first one is asking us to shade the fraction circles to represent each mixed number, then find the sum. Fantastic, let's do that. So as you can see, we already have a model for 1 and 1/2, which is the first mixed number, and a model for 1 and 2/3, which is our second mixed number. So let's go ahead and start shading them. So 1 and 1/2, that means 1, look guys, every time I see a fraction, I'm thinking of pizza. So for me, this is 1 whole pizza, and then 1/2, that means it's the half of the pizza, right? So I'm going to, it doesn't matter how many slices there are in a pizza, right? 1/2 of the pizza is half of the pizza. And here, again, 1 whole one. So I'm just going to shade this 1 whole one. And then 2/3. Now the bottom number means how many slices they are. And the top number, which is numerator, is telling us how many slices they took or we need to shade. So here, however, you can see there's 6 of them. And you know why we have 6 of them, because of the common denominator. We have to find a common denominator for both 2 and a 3, and it was 6, right? So, so what we have to do, since there are 6 slices, instead of 3, that means we have to, for each one of this, we have to consider 2 slices per, okay? So instead of 3, now they're 2 times more. So instead of shading 2 slices, we have to shade 2 times of that, which is 4, right? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 slices, okay? So let's shade all 4 of these slices. Okay. Now, for the answer. Now, if we add these together, now we have a 1, 2 whole ones, right? And then we have 1, 2, 3. So let's write this. So we're going to say that 1 and 1/2 plus 1 and 2/3, it's going to be 2 whole, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 out of 6, because each one is 1/6, right? 1/6. So 2 and 7/6. Can we leave it like that? No, we cannot leave it like that, because think of this. So the 7 and over 6 is actually like this. If I take this, it's a terrible drawing, like this. So if I take a pizza and slice it into 6 slices, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one has 7. This means 7/6 means a whole pizza and 1 slice. See that? And that's exactly what we're gonna do. So instead of a 7/6, because 7 over 6 is actually equal 1 and 1 over 6. So and then here we have a whole 2. So we'll add a whole 2 to that. It will be 3 and 1/6. And that is our answer. 3 and 1/6. You see it? Look, if you need more examples, more explanations, just post a question below the video. I'll be more than happy to get back to you with more examples. But meantime, let's go to the next page and do some more exercises so you'll fully understand this. If you'd like to get help with the rest of the problems in this lesson and every single lesson in 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade math, please visit us at my-homeworkclub.com or simply click the link in the descriptions.